Hey guys, how's it going? Doing a emergency inspection today. We think we lost one of the hives. I think Rad found it.
Yeah, I found it this evening. Came out, picked some peppers, and noticed that there was severe robbing had been going on for quite some time. So here we go.
It's our calm hive, unfortunately, but let's see what we have left with it.
Let's see how bad this is. Oh, it's still full. I wonder where I left my tool last time.
Here's what we're seeing. Bunch of dead bees. A lot of cappings, looks like. Try not to stand in front of it this time. That was full, wasn't it?
No. Yeah. Damn near.
Yeah, I think that one was full of honey last time.
Oh. Oh,
Smells
yeah,
a little
smell the
different.
Honey. You can smell honey even.
Yep. Oh, we got some webs. Yeah, they're robbing.
Robbing hard.
Just got a bunch of little robbies. Robbies.
When they rob, they're not being quite so careful with it. You can see all the little bits of wax that they've taken up to get into that honey.
Yeah, it looks like wax moth.
Possibly. Yep. There's a larva in there.
I saw it moving around. Yeah, there's.
Oh yeah. Well, that's the same one. Jesus, they do stick this together well.
That's unfortunate because we just saw that queen. I was actually editing the video when Rad reported there's an issue.
Okay. We'll be freezing these.
It's confirmed we've officially lost this hive. And that propolis is.
Yeah, isn't that awesome?
It's
I was sitting there going, I expect it to be easier to lift now that they're almost empty. There you go.
Yeah, there's a moth.
And a bunch of bees that were trying to emerge.
See the wax moth larva.
Oh, they're everywhere. That's gross. Also notice the bees around us aren't getting any more grumpy.
Yeah, the bees aren't even getting aggressive to us. They could care less over here.
They just want their food.
Yeah, they're just interested in bulking up their stores. And it's a pretty strong chance this is all the other hive robbing.
Oh yeah. God, look at all that pollen they had.
Yeah, they've cleaned it out. I mean,
Well, they haven't been taking much of the pollen, but the honey's almost gone.
still got some on the ends. They're pretty quick to rob.
So
Even
this hive went away, whether they died off or they absconded to go to a better place. Ugh. They would have come in quite quickly. Oh yeah, and it's just.
yeah, I'm kind of curious because
with
I
moths.
remember these three
We're all honey.
were all completely full.
That does not feel completely full.
Oh no.
Completely empty. That's what you get for robbing. Damn.
So all these frames will have to go to the freezer to kill everything that's still on them. Try to get all the wax moth larvae killed off.
That one's
Hey,
still
there's-
almost full.
There's still some honey there.
Okay, we're gonna put this over here then. We can still get something out of that one. There's a couple pounds in it. Oh, this one too. Look at that.
Yeah. Yeah, I showed you guys in the last video how there was a lot of bees around the cameras and all that. There's nothing. They don't Don't even care that we're here.
Nope. And I'm not even being careful.
No.
We know that this hive is dead.
Probably shake those off.
Yeah, I will.
There's nothing on the other side.
Here, I'll even do it better.
Look at that.
That sucks.
Those were full.
I know.
We just did that inspection a week ago.
Week and a half, yeah.
I hadn't even got the video finished editing. It's on the computer. We were working on it this morning.
Yep, she's a loss. That's what I was afraid of.
It's a little heavy, but not. It's not gonna have much in it.
Almost.
So we'll probably clean all this stuff up, use it next year.
Yeah, we'll be putting most of the frames back in here, and I'm just gonna set them out front of the other hive. There are a lot of dead bees.
Yeah, once we kill off the wax moss, we'll have a lot of wax.
Yep.
Prefer to have the honey,
Well,
oh man, that one was full too.
having the comb for next year will at least give them a fighting chance.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, some of these we probably won't
Oh, wow.
take everything. The next hive will appreciate it. You see all the
They won't have to draw it. Oh,
debris.
that's disgusting. It's all the same. Look, they had all of that was brood.
Yeah, notice on the last video, we were just talking about that. You guys will see it probably before this one.
Oh yeah.
I may upload them a couple days apart. But the last video, this hive was looking pretty light on bees. So we had a cold front come in. And it got all, well, I think, did it get freezing?
No, but it was damn near.
Yeah, it was pretty close. There's a hive beetle down there too.
Yeah, they would have kept them off to the side.
But yeah, we think it might be the cold front and just not a great amount of bees. We're not really sure. First year,
First year.
mistakes were made.
Yep. And then these 3 frames were from the original nuke, so we expect them to be pretty dark and stuff.
Yeah, these belong to the beekeeper that we bought the nuke from.
But there's very little brood in there.
That sucks because this was the calmer hive.
This was the hive we liked to check. That other one makes us a little jumpy at times.
So we did a inspection with the bee group. They do once a month, and their calm hive was extremely aggressive. Took in total, I think, 16 stings, which is nothing compared to our little aggressive hive over here.
Oh, they're all just dead in the bottom. Look at all the pollen in that one. That's a whole frame.
I mean, they were stored up and ready, just probably didn't have the numbers. Wax
More
moth,
moths, yeah. Bee bread. More
a lot
moths.
of moths. Yeah, and I thought the wax moths would like try to eat from the outside in, and you could just see them tunneling from down by the
through
frame.
the bottom.
Well, the base
Well,
of
at
the
the
frame.
base of the frame, yeah. Wow, look at
Yeah, I don't think there's anything we want to harvest out of.
out of the bottom.
Yeah.
just all died. You can look down there. That is so sad.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please leave us a like. And if you want to see future content, please subscribe. And as always, we'll see you on the next one.